Can we talk about actually being social on social media for a second? Essentially, the people who do the best on social media are actually social. Sure, there are scheduling platforms that make it easier to post on multiple platforms or auto message prospects, but what you can't automate is the actual social side of things. All the same rules apply on social media as they would for in-person networking events. Think about it. There, you would walk up to a group of people talking and you'd first listen in on the conversation, which is, building a list and viewing activity. And next, you might make a meaningful response to what they are saying, which is commenting. And then you would introduce yourself. This is the same thing as sending a connection request. Then you might say what you think about a topic, or ask questions, or ask other people's perspectives on an issue. This is posting content. And then if all of this seems like a good fit, then you ask someone if they would like to talk further. This is the same thing as initiating a meeting or a sale. Sending someone a connection request out of the blue and asking them to buy your stuff or schedule up with you right away is not something you would ever do at a party. So just don't do it on social media. You would never be at a party and say, "Nice to meet you. Have you thought about using video in your marketing strategy to increase your inbound leads?" That sucks. Nobody likes this. Matter of fact, copy the link to this post or a video and then bookmark it and send it to the next spammer who connects with you and tries to sell you something without getting to know you first. Let's make this the video that someone shares with cold prospectors with no manners.